Hi, my name is Mandy Bell, and this is my assignment PIDP 3250 Motivation and Engagement Strategy video. I will be using tips and strategy number 4, using praise and criticism effectively. We may ask ourselves, what came first, motivation or engagement? Can we have our cake and eat it too? How do we provide motivation for each other? Like a corn kernel to heat, how do we provide the heat to motivate others? From all walks of life, and at any age, in furthering our education or employment, how do we inspire and motivate to create a desire for lifelong learning? Hertzberg's motivation hygiene theory, or two-factor theory by psychologist Frederick Hertzberg, said to create motivation you have to remove the dissatisfaction. And the two influences were the motivators and the hygiene factors. The intrinsic motivators were achievement, recognition, responsibility, advancement. These are the satisfiers. The external or extrinsic influences are referred to as the hygiene factors or dissatisfiers, and these could be work conditions, good pay, paid insurance, or vacation benefits. So by taking away an employee's dissatisfaction, for example, by offering a higher salary, that doesn't necessarily mean the employee will then be satisfied. The employee is just no longer dissatisfied. But how do we increase satisfaction in the workplace? This can be done by improving the motivating factors. The founder of Mary Kay famously quoted, "The two things that people want more than sex or money are recognition and praise." But how do we effectively build this culture of empowerment and innovation? There needs to be systems in place that actively work to praise and recognize the efforts and success of our employees. We can do this through recognition and promotion, and by creating environments and classroom conditions that foster these motivations. I'll use praise and criticism effectively. We all want to feel valued, and the steps to effectively use praise: 1. Timely manner and simplicity. Also, we want to be spontaneous and sincere. We want to use praise specifically, with praise-specific criteria, skills, and evidence of progress. We never want to use praise as a manipulation tool. We want to praise privately, indirectly, with discretion and respect. And by following these steps, we will provide respect to our coworkers or students, and they will feel empowered and motivated. If they're excelling at their job, we want to tell them, "Great job on Project XYZ. Your facts were well organized. Keep up the good work." Small gestures have a big impact. We want to avoid excessive praise. This can lead to low self-esteem and can interfere with good performance. It can also increase anxiety to a level that is unachievable and can actually have a negative impact on future performance. Constructive criticism, on the other hand, can have more impact than praise. Criticism may motivate us to change and reveal what others think we can improve on. People will respect our willingness to ask for feedback. But how can we handle constructive criticism? There's 4 main reasons we can do this, or 4 main areas. Firstly, we would want to listen to the criticism. We want to focus on the message, not the messenger. We always need to keep a balanced view of ourselves. And then we want to set goals to improve. When we offer constructive criticism, we want to make sure that there is always room for improvement and to be careful to keep our opposing viewpoint rational, objective, and calm. And above all, we do not want to engage in any personal attack by reasoning that it is constructive. Because even the most well-intentioned criticism can harm relationships and undermine self-confidence and motivation. Criticism has the potential to motivate employees to do anything to avoid criticism. This can make them lose their focus on doing a better job because they're just trying to avoid criticism. So the ideal praise to criticism ratio should be 5-1. For every 5 positive comments for every negative one. Giving praise to our team costs us nothing. It takes no time and very little effort. But it does take thoughtfulness and care, and that is what drives our team to perform at their best. Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart, said nothing can quite substitute for a few well-chosen, well-timed, sincere words of praise. They're free and worth a fortune. So by using praise and criticism effectively and at the right time, the sky is truly the limit to our possibilities to create this lifelong learning by providing meaningful motivation and engagement.